Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria maumirira makigeranio gya KCSE, murugamiriri wa kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani Dagitari Nancy Macharia niahithuritie ati namba nene ya arutani aria mari na makiria ma miaka 58 ni mamukirite njanjo ya COVID-19.
TSC is impressed with the high rate of COVID vaccine uptake among teachers. As of yesterday, that is Sunday, the 8th, we had 494 teachers vaccinated, constituting 48.9% female and 51% male.
Ona gukiri uguo Dagitari Macharia ni ahinyiriirie arutani othe kwiyumiria kwamukira njanjo eno amu no arutani 151 magana mana ma 94 mathecetwo njanjo niguo kunyihia ugwati wa murimu, guku agitariria arutani 37 a thukuru cia secondary ni matoretio ni ndwari ya COVID na gukua.
It is sad to note that so far we have lost 37 secondary school teachers, including 24 principals, 3 deputy principals, and 10 classroom teachers. We do not want to continue losing our teachers. They are very dear to us. So please, whenever you can, we still encourage you to take the jab.
Augite thutha wa guthingata ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni marikitie kuhingura sesheni ya kuheanira njanjo wabici-ini nene cia TSC.
Teachers who visit our offices can receive the jab. So this center is in addition to the 622 vaccine centers available to teachers in various medical facilities. And again, we are doing everything to ensure that our teachers get the jab as easily as possible and to access that vaccine and still go back to class.
Oho no eraniire ati kandi ya insurance niragitira arutani hari ndwari ya COVID-19 mugaru na uria kurari hau kabere.
We have now created a medical insurance app for our teachers called Walimu Care app that allows teachers to access telemedicine anytime, even from isolation centers or their homes. And what we are telling teachers is that because we know that we are avoiding hospitals sometimes when we can, please use this telemedicine app so that even from isolation or even at school, if the ailment is not so great, then you get in touch with our medical provider, you talk to our to the doctors, and you can even get prescription from there and the further advice from the doctors.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.